Every successful event, whether it's a concert, festival, conference, or major sporting fixture, depends on something the audience never sees: the safety planning behind it. Before the doors even open, event teams must prepare a complete suite of safety documentation. For a large event, this can easily mean dozens or even hundreds of documents, and every one of them must contain the correct information. But across the events industry, most safety documentation is still managed the same way it has been for decades. Separate Word documents, spreadsheets, email attachments, shared folders. Information is copied and pasted between files. Details change, versions drift apart. An emergency contact gets updated in one document, but forgotten in another. Contractors send paperwork through endless email chains. Approvals are tracked manually, and by the time event day arrives, organizers often find themselves asking the same question: is everyone actually working from the latest version of the plan? At the same time, the regulatory environment around events continues to grow more complex. Event organizers must demonstrate clear planning for safety, security, crowd management, licensing, counter-terrorism, and risk mitigation across multiple authorities and agencies. That means more documentation, more administration, and more risk if information becomes inconsistent. SafetyDocs was created to solve this problem. SafetyDocs is a platform built specifically for the events industry that transforms how safety documentation is created, managed, and shared. Instead of managing dozens of disconnected files, SafetyDocs creates one connected safety documentation system. At the center of the platform is a powerful concept called master data. Key event information such as emergency contacts, venue details, operational roles, and safety information is entered once. That information then automatically synchronizes across every document that uses it. Change a phone number once, and it updates across every plan. Update a venue detail and it appears instantly across the entire safety documentation suite. No duplication, no inconsistencies, no outdated versions. SafetyDocs also includes a familiar document editor, allowing event organizers, safety consultants, and venues to create professional safety documentation quickly and easily. Entire safety documentation suites can be built and maintained inside one platform. Because documents are connected through the master data system, updates automatically flow across the entire suite, turning what used to be hours of manual editing into a simple update made once. But managing event safety documentation isn't just about internal plans. Large events involve many external contractors, from staging companies and production teams to security providers, medical services and catering suppliers, and technical specialists. Each contractor must submit safety documentation before working on site. This is where SafetyDocs introduces event compliance management. With ECM, you can finally stop chasing contractors for their paperwork. The system does it for you. Contractors can edit venue-approved templates locked inside SafetyDocs, upload their own, click Send to Venue for secure delivery. No more risky email attachments. This might include risk assessments, method statements, insurance certificates, training credentials. Event organizers can then review, approve, or request revisions through a structured compliance workflow. The system also includes automation features such as reminders for outstanding documents, notifications when submissions require review, and clear visibility of what has been approved and what is still missing. This removes the chaos of email attachments and ensures every contractor working on the event has the correct documentation in place before arriving on site. SafetyDocs also controls who can access which information. Stewards and SIA security teams can log in and access the operational documents relevant to their role. Contractors can view the information they need. Managers and safety officers maintain full oversight. Every action inside the platform is recorded through a complete audit log showing who accessed documents, when changes were made, and who approved them. And because events don't always take place with reliable connectivity, documents can also be downloaded for offline access, ensuring teams always have critical safety information available when it matters most. Event teams are able to create their entire safety documentation suite, synchronize key information across every document, manage contractor compliance, and distribute operational plans to staff all from one platform. The result is less time managing paperwork, greater consistency across safety documentation, clear compliance records, and safer, better organized events. Because when safety matters most, everyone should be working from the same information. Stop managing paperwork. Start managing your event. Start for free at SafetyDocs.org.